Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us work out this problem. Most of the people, they get it wrong. They used to do this way. They used to take minus 4 plus 6. They got 2 multiplied by 3 over 7. 2 multiplied by 3. They got 6 over 7, which this is wrong. Now, let us do the right way. The first thing, I'm going to put the bracket. After that, I'm going to rewrite this in this fashion. In the bracket, minus 4 plus 6 multiplied by 3. In the bracket, this division, I'm going to put this kind of division. Divide by 7. We are going to divide by 7. According to PEMDAS, we are going to start with parentheses. So I'm going to work in the parentheses. That is, in the bracket, I'll start with multiplication. That takes higher priority. Minus 4, positive 6, multiplied by 3, I'm going to get positive 18 in the bracket, divide by 7. Still working in the parentheses, minus 4 plus 18, we got 14, then divide by 7. 14 divided by 7, we got our answer is equal to 2. This is the correct answer. I hope you understand this question. For more questions like this, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.